Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Stuff About Tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to talk about privacy on Indeed. Guys, if you want to change your privacy on Indeed, then how will you change and how will you keep your data privately? So guys, first of all you have to log in into your Indeed account. I've already logged in over here and now I am going to my profile. Just click on your profile icon, click over here and then go to your profile. As you can see guys, this is my profile and I want to keep my Indeed resume or data private. So I will go in my resume and here you can see this public button. You can change your privacy by clicking this button. Just simply click on it and here you will see the pop-up on your screen and you have to change public into private. Click on private and then click on save. So guys, when you click on private, then nobody will be able to see your resume or your data on Indeed. So guys, this is how to change privacy on Indeed. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Good luck.